Welcome back to video number 2 with Ananta X Global Club. And now we're going to talk about savings, benefits, and fun. So let's take a closer look at what Ananta X really offers. So every month, a portion of your membership goes into gold. It is not trading, it is not guessing, and it's not depending on anybody. It's just consistent accumulation. Currencies lose value over time, but gold holds value. You don't have to understand everything. You just have to stay consistent. Benefit number 1 is our virtual wallet. Embedded is the wealth growth benefit. This includes 10% auto gold accumulation from your membership contribution, a cash or a reward wallet, gold and silver wallets, and you have the ability to buy additional gold and or silver at any time. Also, for our members, prepaid services available: electricity, airtime, mobile data, a USDT wallet that will be live very soon. And we have full access on Apple, Android, web browsers, and non-smartphone access, fully compliant and regulated. Some members will enjoy the automatic accumulation that forms part of their membership. Others may choose to build on that foundation over time by adding or buying additional gold or silver whenever it suits their goals and circumstances. But the door is open and ownership has begun. Our gold and silver is a stable coin that is linked one-to-one to the tangible commodity. The silver and gold are in reserves, and against that, the stable coins are issued, like the Reserve Bank will issue the rand. The physical gold and silver is stored at secure vaults all over the world. The price in silver and gold goes up and down, and so also does the value of the coins. So if you feel necessary, you can simply move your gold or silver into your cash wallet. Now, to do what we do, we have to operate under a license. Pretty unique is you can now register and already send a link to somebody that you want to invite. Benefit number 2 is our grocery coupons powered by Hermanix. This includes 5 digital coupons per product, issued monthly, redeemable at major retailers, Dis-Chem, ShopRite Checkers, Pick n Pay, and USave coming soon. 3,000 Rand per month available. Fully digital, simple, and easy to use at these giants. Products like Nappies, Nappies, 20 Rand off. Tint food, 3 Rand. Cooking oil, 10 Rand. Some jams, 10 Rand. Bread, 3 Rand. Rainbow chicken pieces, 20 Rand. Dishwashing liquid, 5 Rand. Mrs. Ball's chutney, 5 Rand. Parmalat cheese, 10 Rand. Altogether, 3,000 Rand for the month. On the screen, you'll see a list of products that the average house will use: bread, doom, washing powder, dishwashing liquid, jam, cooking oil. Just on these products, you will be saving over 200 Rand at the till. Benefit number 3, emergency assist medical support. This includes private ambulance cover for the main member, and for the family, a 24/7 medical helpline offering emergency first aid advice, symptom assessment, health counseling, stress management, medical travel information, substance abuse, and even poison support. When life happens, your family is not left alone. Benefit number 4, our funeral arrangement. Professional funeral assistance. When a member passes away, your beneficiaries will receive 1,000 Rand grocery voucher, 240 hours of talk time, an Android smartphone gifted by Ananta X, including 10 gigs of data. Number 5, short-term group discount. This is for personal and business cover. Group negotiated rates. They are linked to most of the big insurance houses where they will fight for us, and professional insurance guidance. Number 6 is our additional benefits and services. We have and offer Health for All, healthcare access, where we only have a 1-month registration. No waiting period, no late joiner penalties, includes 4, emergency and accidental cover, doctors, unlimited, nurses, medication, optometry, private hospital cover. We have got funeral plans available at reduced waiting periods, and then included in your membership, the Ananta X Academy, property referral, free last will and testament, and also bond originating services. And that is just the foundation. On top of that, Ananta X includes our travel club, concierge style. This includes unlimited bookings for Ananta X families, accommodation discounts, car rental benefit, where we get unlimited kilometers, free, add a driver for free, and we only pay the fuel deposit. Also, flight and bus bookings. Our education benefit, a CTU college 10% discretionary discount, and our legacy learning program, offering over 250 online courses worth thousands of rands, covering entrepreneurship, fitness, health and healthy eating, internet marketing, personal growth, productivity, web design, and we can access one course per day. Courses like artificial intelligence up and the power of focus, Facebook ads domination and metaverse made simple, muscle gain secrets, and even intermittent fasting formula. Benefit number 9 is our Call the Teacher. Private tutorships. This includes up to 48 hours per month per child, private tutorship, covering all grades, all subjects, and all major South African languages. Team of teachers are available from 6 to 9, Mondays to Thursdays, except public holidays. It is a queuing process, so please plan ahead. And they will help your children toll-free, email, web chat, WhatsApp, and even social media. In the pipeline is our up-and-coming additionals, international expansion, online store, a dialer with Ananta X airtime, and more. Which of these would make the biggest difference for you right now? So here is the real question. Do you want something that just costs you every month, or something that gives back while you build? At this point, you might be thinking, is this just a membership, or is there something more? There are 3 ways people use Ananta X, and this is where you'll see how people are turning this into something more without pressure. So please follow for video number 3, where we are going to chat about rewards, support, and potential.